So if you've been trying to start an online business, then obviously you've been thinking of having a personal website for yourself. I totally understand that these days there are easier ways to get websites, but it doesn't actually take away the old way of getting your domain, getting your hosting, and actually setting up something that helps show out your personal brand in the online space. And I've actually shared with you guys on this particular channel my experience with many hosting companies, especially when it comes to buying your domain, getting your hosting, and building your personal brand online for a couple of years. But what I'm going to do in this particular video today is to share with you guys this particular hosting company that I believe is here to change the game. And this is Ultahost. Now, these guys actually claim that Ultahost is ready to host everything without limits. And I mean, without limits. But then this claim is quite huge, and we're going to be dissecting this, seeing exactly if this is possible with Ultahost and if this is an option that you might want to get started with right now. Okay, so I'm going to be leaving a link to Ultahost right down there in the description of a particular video so that you can actually have access to it from there. But let's jump over to the website. So when you click on the website right here, as you can see on my screen, this is Ultahost. And right on here, it says hosting everything without limits. They're boasting of 99.9% uptime, free DDoS protection, enjoy unlimited bandwidth, and 24/7 expert support. Now, I love the quick comparison here. You can see this image. Ultahost versus the DreamHost versus HostGator versus Bluehost versus SiteGround. Now, you guys already know that I've used all of these alternatives here from DreamHost to HostGator to Bluehost and SiteGround, and I have a personal story with them, honestly. Now, I'm not saying that they're bad, totally no, but I think that from my personal experience, it has not really been a very good one on the long run, especially when you are looking at starting out something on a small scale and then moving up the ladder as you get to scale. These hosting companies obviously are already scaling way faster than you would ever do. So this was one of the reasons why I actually left them, right? So coming over here on Ultahost, you can see that their hosting here starts at $3.99 per month, and you get to save 40% and stuff like that, right? But let me just scroll down the website, and here you can obviously see their pricing. You're paying from about $3.80 per month to $74.8 per month, right? Obviously, these are for different, plans, and each of the plans actually have different features, right? Different bandwidth, different, the numbers are quite different. So you might actually want to go ahead and go through that before you actually make any form of payment. But I actually love the fact that here they're giving you a couple of other options where you can have a Mac hosting, game hosting, email hosting, and Windows hosting on this place here as well. But this is just one aspect of it. Let us look at exactly what you're going to be getting for domains and also for hosting. Yeah. So if you are willing to buy your domain here, you want to come over here and you register domain, right? Yeah, so you want to register your domain on here, and from this very page, you are able to search for a domain. Now you're searching the domain here. Once it's available, you can proceed to make payment for the domain, depending on the costs and all. But at the same time, there is the Generate with Ulta AI that allows AI help you to generate names, should in case you don't have any name ideas for whatever business that you're doing. So obviously you're coming in here, describing your business, and asking AI to help you out here. So you can simply say, I have a fashion business in Nigeria. I sell shoes, handbags, and more. And I'm just going to click on generate. Let me see the options that Ulta AI is going to give me right on here with this generator. So you can obviously see that it's showing me a couple of options, telling me which is unavailable, which is available, which I can buy, which I should not buy, and more. Well, I actually know that if you're a little bit more descriptive about your business, you're sharing a couple of more things around what you're doing right on here. You would obviously get better names tailored to what suits your business specifically, right? But then you can actually have other options of choosing the number of words, choosing your domain length, choosing the number as well here, and also the domain extension that you're looking at getting. Okay, so this is for the domain registration. Obviously, you still have the option to transfer domain, get SSL certificates, and all for your website. But then let's look at the hosting. So for hosting here, they have the shared hosting, the VPS hosting, the VDS, right? And also a dedicated hosting plan as well as the WordPress plan. So in case you're actually looking at building specifically WordPress, right, you already have that particular option on here. And you can obviously see here on the website, they have a 20x faster shared hosting, and the plan starts from $3.99. So for $3.80, you're going to be getting, to connect one domain, you're going to be getting 10,000 visits monthly, over 30 gigabytes NVMe SSD, unlimited bandwidth. All right, for $4.80, you're going to be getting to connect 4 domains, 15,000 visits monthly, and 60 gigabyte NVMe SSD, and unlimited bandwidth. Now, you see basically for all plans, there are unlimited bandwidth. What obviously is changing here is the storage, the visits, and the number of domains on here, right? But then do not be scared, because it's not just this. There are other options for hosting depending on what you want to do for yourself, right? You can obviously go ahead and click. But the major thing here is, if you're looking also at starting up a business where you get to resell hosting and make a couple of cash from it, Ultahost is still your guy, because yes, you can actually get to create a company that actually sells hosting, leverage on Ultahost, actually start reselling hosting, and you're good to go, right? Yeah. All right, so let's quickly go ahead and log into the dashboard area to see what it looks like, because like I said, because like I always say, I would usually love to use these platforms before I actually make videos about them in the first place, right? So even while this particular video is being hosted by Ultahost of the product, it is me giving you full-time hands-on experience on this particular service. Yeah, so right here on the dashboard, as you can see, the client area, you can get access to register a domain here. You get a couple of support tickets you've opened and all, and you can see the active products that you already have on this very space. For the domain, you're going to be getting access to all of your domains you already have active here. You can also register a domain here, or you're renewing your domain and all. For services, you get access to a couple of different services they have, especially on their hosting side of things, right? So you can actually see your existing services, what plans you have on here and all, and you can even order new services depending on what you actually would needing this for, right? For billing, you get to see your invoices, your quotes and all. For website and security, this is where you get to see your SSL certificate, and you can follow through that particular method to connect it to your domain, making sure that your website is secure and all right? I really feel like videos around hosting are quite boring sometimes, right? But then this is exactly what you need in order to start up that online business that actually gets to fetch you money. So you can't actually take it away. It just kind of like sometimes sound quite technical, and people want to shy away from it, right? But then it's all good. Yeah, so there's also the support side of things. I'm actually very keen on support here, because I don't know, sometimes for people who are non-techie, if there is no support, then you might just be left in the dark, and it's super crazy, especially when it comes to a hosting company, right? That's why I would always go for hosting companies that actually have 24/7 support. So anytime I'm working and I have an issue that is linked back to my hosting, I need help ASAP, and I want it done quickly as possible. And these guys also would offer that to you. All right. Besides all of this, let us also look at the Ulta AI. These guys are actually one of the first set of people having this, available for, users, right? Leveraging AI to search for their domain, leveraging AI to actually set up their website, giving you some kind of structure as to whatever business you're running and how you can actually be put together online and all. So you can basically see right on here, you have access to actually chat with this particular AI and allow it to actually guide you to setting up your online side of things, as well as setting up a structure for your business and all. All right. Ultahost is actually a hosting company that I most probably believe that would need some more time to actually grow and become mainstream, especially in this part of the world. But then there is a very huge potential for them to really do so much and dominate, right? Now, if you are someone like me that is concerned about peace of mind when it comes to hosting, then you would obviously see a couple of hosting companies I've been talking about lately, especially the ones I use for my business, and you can obviously go ahead and get started with any of them, right? I'm going to be leaving the link to Ultahost down in the description, so you can actually get started with it for your business as well. And I think this is it for this particular one. Hopefully, yes. If you have any question or concerns, let me know in the comment section. Go ahead and just drop it for me. I would be active to respond to you. And subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe so you get updates on other videos as well. Thanks so much, guys, for watching this video, and I would obviously see you on the next one.